Alright, it is time today to create database with the sqlite, and in the last video we've installed it, so now it's time to just use some of its functionality. And yeah, sqlite is installed in an interesting place let me just close all of these. sqlite is installed in the C on my local disk, so it's here basically. And if you want to use it, you can just use this command line tool, and then you say cmd. But you need to create folder first on your maybe desktop or something. So just go to desktop and then do some database, which might be used for our database, and then we can use the cmd here onto that folder and kind of create a database. And I will show you now how it works. It's a very quick command, so you just could type here the name of the program, which is sqlite, and then just the database name. So let's just call it the db. And now it has created something, and we can check in the folder. It's actually not there yet, so I think it's actually not there yet because we have to type the .database. And now we have here inside our database, and in this database we can use maybe some SQL. So let's just do some create table statement. Create table, test table, and then just some random. Let me just get something from the internet. Create a table statement. Okay, let's just use that one, and let's see how it works. Okay, DBO is not known, so we should just rename our database to something else. So our table. So let's just call it test table. Test table like this, and and there you have it. And now we can maybe select the count of user ID in the test table. It's 0. So, ladies and gentlemen, you have here just your own SQL database. It's very lightweight. You can use it for fun, basically, for fun. So yeah, have a nice day with that, and maybe we will see again each other in the back, and we will maybe contact me as well on any social you see back down there. Okay, bye bye.